Hello, my name's Brian Knight and I live in Melbourne in Australia, and it's just after 5 o'clock in the morning on a Friday here. UK will be Thursday evening. Yeah, US will be midday to wherever. Let me just share this first. Welcome to this live FOREX and Alpha session. Just note any trades discussed in this group will be classed as educational only, and that's because we're a group of people help each other, and we're not helping each other, and we are not financial advisors. So please don't take trades that you're happy to take based on your own analysis. There is a full risk disclosure, a little bit about us as live session traders. Now we trade what's called relaxed method of trading or relaxed strategy as such. And also too, we have sort of branched and investigate into expert advisors as well. All right. Welcome, Tom.
Hi, Brian.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Had a good week, have you?
Yeah, I
Oh,
took
that's
no
good.
trades. I took no trades last night or today.
You don't need to.
Nothing's ready. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm just looking. So, where are we? Euro USD. I'm in EAs and heaps of trades at the moment.
Which
Or
one?
not heaps. This is a Euro USD.
Oh,
One
okay.
of one of the EAs called Euro Stable is in a number of trades. Wasn't in any last night when I went to bed. All of a sudden now it's got must be must have
For
been moving.
buys?
No, I think it's in cells. They always are against. Yeah, they're in cells. They're always
Wow.
against the trend. Just how it operates. Um, what is it? Yeah, what's the time on the 15? Okay. Hmm. This is saying it's still pushing. Oh, mine say it's pulling back down a bit. Anyway, whatever. Um, yeah. So this is there's a number of cells. 1607.3. It got in about here. So if this push up, so we're looking for the pullback anyway. What's that? A TP is 16269, somewhere there. It's only got to come back to here. Anyway, we'll see. And the other one is actually moving rather quickly. The end of the day US. And the other one is um Infinity with GU. So that's in a cell at the moment and it's pushing up as well. That's okay. So they're the two that are primarily in that are taking trade. It's all right. I think that the drawdown's like maybe $200 on a 5K account. Nothing dramatic as such. Okay, we whipped through. Do you want to have a look at them or not?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Not that we're taking any trades on them necessarily, but we'll just see where things are at on it. I'm going to need to change some things around, of course. As things move, you change. So high, low, lower, high. Correct.
Hmm.
And yeah, pretty sure that's the same. Yeah. Ooh, We're up here now. And probably it's a good idea to change this. Where are these?
So go to your 30-minute real quick.
That's the 30-minute here. Yeah?
You set
No?
up.
There. Yeah. On the 30-minute here.
Okay, go to the 2-hour on that chart.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Which way are we going here?
It's buying at the moment.
At the moment.
Mm-hmm.
But which way are we going?
You mean overall?
Mm-hmm.
Overall buying?
We're buying.
Yeah, but it's gonna push, then pull back, then push off again. That's what it's saying.
See your fib?
Yeah.
Right there at the 2.
At the 2. Yeah.
Go to your 30-minute.
Oh, that's not. Oh, yeah. I'm going to go back to 30-minute. Okay.
Same
Yep.
fib. You
Same.
haven't moved it.
No.
Find the bottom of that green point in the 2 area on the higher time frame on your lower time frame.
Oh, I'm going to go back to the 2-hour.
No, you don't.
No,
It's all the same.
no.
It doesn't change. It's the same fib.
It's there.
Right. Where is that on
Oh.
the 5-minute?
It's way out there somewhere, but that's okay. It's here somewhere.
It's the same fib.
Correct. Yeah, no, it has to be. Between 30 and the 5, it is, yes. Correct.
Change your bottom fib.
Change
Change it
this
to
one.
your lower 50.
Oh, okay, change it to lower 50. Yep, because I know what you mean now. You mean bottom 50. Okay. There.
Okay. Find your 619.
You're not going to get it because it's up here somewhere.
You know, on the oh, I'm sorry, you're right. Find the 38 and the 25.
Yeah, which is it.
Yep. Grab a rectangle real quick.
Yeah.
Take those 2.
Yeah.
Grab a placeholder for a buy.
Sorry. Yep.
Your entry is at the top of that green box,
The 38. Yeah.
and your stop is at the low.
At the bottom of it.
No,
Yeah.
at the low where the rectangle
Oh,
is or the triangle is.
okay, right down here.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay.
And then up and out.
And then up and out. So don't
Yeah.
even consider this pair until it gets down there.
Right.
So you see, grab a another rectangle real quick.
Yep, got one. Yep.
You see the last low it made before you got that triangle?
This
At the
one over
bottom?
here.
That one right there. Grab that brick. Turn that one blue.
I know I'm going to change that to Tuesday gap, isn't it?
No, it's the blue box.
Oh, blue, sorry. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
So in order to keep going up, it has to stay above that line.
Oh, you mean not break that? Not break the blue?
No. It can
No?
come back and it can break the blue. It can come down
Yeah.
as far as it wants and not
Yeah.
break this rectangle down here, the triangle at the bottom.
Right.
But anywhere in here, in order to keep going up, it has to stay above this blue line. So let's say it does break down into the 12 area on your fib.
Yeah, yeah,
It creates a brick and it starts to
yeah.
push out. When it starts to push out, that's when you want to pick up the trade. Because if it's going to keep going up, it won't come back to this blue line. If it
Yeah,
does,
okay.
it'll just wick and keep going.
Yeah. But what you're saying is, let me get this right, is that eventually it'll work its way down, come down to the blue below or whatever, come back up, but not come back, not it might wick to it or whatever, but it would be on the move back up again. Okay,
Right.
gotcha. I'm just trying to translate
Nope.
what you
That's it
said.
exactly. Because
Yeah.
these two trend lines that are coming across are going to turn white.
Yeah, they're going to turn white. And then
And it's
they'll
going to
turn,
come down, tap, 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 tap
yeah,
along
yeah.
here,
Yeah, but
and
then
then
they'll
take
turn
off.
blue again. But then they'll turn blue again.
So I don't care if this predictor line at the top of the page is telling me it's going to buy way up here. Fantastic. If it's going to do that, then it's going to come back down here, fill in this area, and then take off.
Yeah, okay.
If it just turns here and keeps going up, let it go
Yeah,
up.
let it go up. That's right.
You
Yeah.
still are not interested in this trade until price comes back to this spot.
Yeah, yeah. And it comes down to like the discounted price, which means then it'll push back up again. Yeah.
Right. Because you on
Hmm.
the overall, you want to buy it up.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah,
And
well,
they always come back.
if you go here on the daily, you'll see that it has been selling. I mean, it has spouts of. It's weird though, isn't it? Look at it. If you go further on, it's really been going relatively sideways for quite a while. That's okay. Go back to 30.
If you think it's going to sell, use the same logic just in the other
Yeah,
opposite
yeah, in the other
direction.
direction. Yeah,
It's got
exactly.
to break the last high it created on the top of the last high,
Yeah,
that
which is
kind of
this
stuff.
one.
It's the same logic.
Yeah, 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 exactly. Yeah, so you could in fact get into that cell as well.
Yeah, you can trade it
And
any
and
way you
this
like.
and this
I'm just showing you how I look at these.
this could push back and then push up and then up and then up or whatever, and then start pushing back down through there and if this stays basically the way it is, and then get this sell back down to the 20 and then get the sell back out again.
Right. But for right now, even if that predictor line is wrong and it's going to change, as we know it's
Yeah,
going to be,
yeah,
right
yeah.
now I'm set up for what I'm seeing on the page, regardless what that predictor line says.
Yeah, you're setting up for the buy. Hmm.
Exactly.
Mm,
So
mm.
price is going to have to come back to this zone for
Yeah.
me to be interested in this trade.
So you're just going to sit there and wait. You haven't put an order on, like a limit order?
No,
No, I
just
didn't
wait.
think so. Yeah, because you've got time to wait
Well,
anyway.
I
I
don't
mean,
want to
it's
put
not.
I don't want to put money on something and
Yeah,
have
yeah,
my broker just
yeah,
collect fees
yeah,
on something that's going to happen a week and a half from now.
yeah, yeah. Oh, well, no, you won't get fees if you've got an order in place. It won't. There won't be any charge until it activates.
Is that true?
What? Yeah. No, you don't. There's no fee until you actually within until you've actually activated a trade or it's activated a trade.
Hmm,
Mm, yeah.
good to know.
Not unless you're a crappy broker is going to do that to you. But no, Pepperstone and IC Markets don't do it. Just sits there, waits. Okay. Right, ACAD. So I'd be looking for the sell back down and then potentially buy back up. So let's see, if this continues back down, oh, great. And then I'll get the buy. But at the moment, there's a potential wham bam. Thank you, ma'am. option there. Get down and get up. Right. Now, TT, USD Well, that's interesting, isn't it? Because it's done that since yesterday. Incredible. Okay. All right. Now broken that high low there. Pushing down and make a lower low. It's still pushing though. Look at it. Quite substantial. So we could do this, couldn't we? We could actually move it to there. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And wait for that kick back up. It could move down further, which means that we're gonna take this to there. Oh, that's that one. No, don't worry about that too much. I'll do that. It's this I was gonna take. I think that's one end to the other. Where it's at the moment. That might be the next week. Next week option, this one. And it might even start at the start of the week too, for the buy back up. We'll see. I'll have to adjust this because this will go down, potentially go down further here. And then look at it coming back up to 20. Okay.
But look at this big giant
Oh,
move it made.
the push down.
Yeah.
This one. Yeah.
You feel
Well,
like you
that
missed
was,
anything?
no, not at
No,
all.
not at all.
No, no. But
You
it
even
is.
said next week it's going to turn around and go even higher. So it's like, what did you really miss? Nothing.
Yeah, yeah,
That's what
correct.
the 5 minute has surprised me on.
Hmm.
I would always feel anxious about, ooh, am I going to miss this trade on the higher time
Yeah,
frames?
but I wouldn't have even picked this here to come back down again.
No, me neither.
No. All right, indeed. All right. Uh, EDJPY. Where is it? No, it's not it. Hmm. Oh, it doesn't need to be there, does it? Can be there. Oh, wow. Okay. Well, this is not too bad. Let's see if this pulls back up again and then get into the sell. Because even if it pulls back, it looks like it's not going to come back to there. So we're at the moment, it's making a knuckle here. Let's see. Could do a little pullback up here and then push back down. Okay. That could be a nice little trade. Oh, where am I now? Oh, this comes across. No, there we go. Yeah, it's coming back down. Okay. You see them, they do, don't they? They come from this discounted up to the premium bit and then start pulling back down again, POC back into discount. Okay.
Hey, grab your blue rectangle real quick and grab that last high that it created on the higher time frame.
This one.
Hmm.
It's going to stay below there. It was
It's
going
got
down.
to stay below that
Yeah,
line
yeah, yeah,
to
yeah.
keep going down. So I would look for a brick here, a pullback, a brick, and then enter the trade is
Yeah,
how
yeah,
I would
yeah.
see it.
Get a gold indicator here and then a seller. Yeah, exactly. It's well, it depends. And if it just keeps going down here, well, so what again? But I'm looking for it to pull back up into that above the 80 and then, or yeah, and then get ready to get out of it. Yeah, get into the trade for the sell. Could actually happen today.
Hmm.
All right, my
I
today.
think it's going to happen tonight during London.
Well, that's my afternoon, evening today. So it's only morning. It's like 20 past 5 in the morning here. So we've still got a few hours or whatever before changeover from New York to Asian, and then London happens my afternoon sometime or late afternoon. So there's a fair bit of time.
Yeah,
Oh,
especially
oh,
on the
oh,
5 minute
oh,
time
oh,
frame.
oh, 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 creating. I don't know if you can see in the 5 minutes, creating a little golden. It might stay, it might not. It might go back up. It just depends. All right. ADNZD. Oh. Right, so that's getting ready too, potentially. I'm going to get that one. No. All right. Oh. Ooh. Okay. All right. You pull back here and then a drop off again. All right. That's another one. Yeah.
I would suggest putting
Oh.
your blue box at the higher time frame that
Yeah,
it's
up
got to
in
stay
here.
under
Yeah, which is
right there.
this one up here, isn't it?
Yep.
Okay, I will put one on. There we go. We'll pull it out to the end of the predictor. Okay, AUD Singapore. It's been pretty unpredictable. This sort of thing is like, let's see what happens here. I'm not too. Oh, you could change this now too.
Yeah, you just caught that higher low right there.
Yeah.
So you just created a high, lower high, higher
No.
low.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So I would be looking for a higher low coming out of that 20 on the higher time frame. BEA beautiful. Look at
Mm.
that.
Yeah, but that's
Yeah.
that's yeah.
Well, if you want confirmation, you can always go to your 2 hour, see which direction that's going. Yeah. See, even that thinks it's going to start still buy.
Yeah, I'm not real. Mm, it could. Yeah, quite easily. I see the wick up there. I reckon it'll. Mm, we'll see. I'm not really convinced. As I said, this one's a bit like don't feel real comfortable yet with it. I mean, if you, yeah, it looks like it's going to sell, but then when the market changes over, it might just pull back up to here and then start. So I'll just watch that this morning. Can't remember when change. I think it's 9 o'clock. Can't remember now. Anyway, ADUSD. That's coming out of there too. And a little gold, 1, 2, 3, and then down it goes again. I think we're selling. So the wheels are all turning again, are they, in the US?
I don't know if it's actually finalized. I haven't heard.
Oh, apparently it is from our news point of view. But,
Well,
yeah,
I don't, yeah, I don't
oh,
trust my news at all.
no, I wouldn't. I wouldn't. Mm, change over that one. Okay, then. Kids, CHF. Let's keep going. Cool, that was a good push, wasn't it? And it did keep going, didn't it?
Oh yeah, read that.
Wow. It's way. Mm. Wanting that to come back up a bit and then drop off further. Certainly a good push that was. Bang, bang, bang overnight. Been a fair bit of movement overnight. I think I don't know whether it's because of US's they've got some money bill or it's only temporary, isn't it? I hear they've just done a temporary bill to get things going, and then they're going to rough it out again in the near future. Oh yeah, who made a high there? So it's going to have to change. Oh no, there we go. Rightio. There's a lot of them coming out of that 80, isn't there?
Mm-hmm.
Ready to get in. Whether it's worth getting into those. I think it is. It'll probably do pullback maybe and then push down, or I'll wait until after changeover and then I'll have a look at these. I think these three. Well, that's jumped away too, isn't it? Well, that has just like shot up, isn't
Yeah.
it? Let's get a pullback on that one. Take it from there. Well, that's not anytime soon. Uh, not interested. That's just like, yeah. All right, you're AUD. Oh, okay. This one looks interesting. Okay, so that's the push back up. Let's see the pullback and then a push out of it. If it does. Probably better to put that over here, is it? No, better that it's over there. Yeah, okay. Okay. Well, do we get into the sell out of it? Then into the buy? That one we don't need there for the minute.
Which way is it going on your higher time frame?
Oh, you mean this one?
2 hour.
Okay. It says it's going to sell, but it is buying.
Well, it says it's gonna sell within a certain range from the 100 to the 75, right? Or the
Correct.
80.
Yeah.
So that's what it says on the higher time frame is it's going to sell in that range somewhere.
Hmm.
So I'm not going to take this trade unless on the lower time frame on 30 minutes
Hmm.
tells me that this higher low that it just created,
Yeah.
when this pulls back
Hmm.
somewhere down here in this lower time frame 20, I'm going to get another higher low
Yeah,
to
yeah,
buy
yeah.
it out.
Yeah.
So I'm not willing to get into this trade on the high side of the trade unless I get some form of pullback that gives me the wording
All right.
higher
Yeah.
low.
Yeah, okay.
Even if that means I miss this trade and it pops up and makes a
No,
higher
no.
high, and
For
I'll
a
still
sell
wait for
now.
that higher low to get into the trade.
we might get a lower high here and come back through the 80 back down to the 20.
Yeah, exactly.
That's right.
Or even just come back to your volume red line, tap it and
Yeah,
go,
yeah, yeah,
and
yeah.
that's the new higher low.
Yes, correct. Not break that high low. Okay. I'd
Because
be
on the
looking
higher
to
time frame we're selling, I should say.
selling the time. Yeah. Okay. All right. You're okay. Mm. All made a good move, haven't they, at the end of the near the end of the week. They're still pushing up too. Oh, it's down there. Okay. That's a significant push, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
How many pips? Like lots of them have moved, like quite a bit. Nearly 100 pips. Wow, that new accession's really lit things up. And whether it's that sort of US back open again, like money flowing.
Yeah, probably.
Okay. You know, that didn't came back in bounce. You'd think it would take off, but it's just like dropped again.
Yep.
Interesting, isn't it? But yeah.
I love it, frankly. I love it.
Yeah, okay. So it looks like it's selling out, which I would agree with.
Right. So, what are we expecting to happen here?
And there'll be a pullback and then a sell back out.
Right. That's exactly right.
Yeah.
So, when you get that pullback, that's what you're looking for.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
As long as that trend line doesn't change to
I think
blue,
it'll come down, probably break this low over to the left here, come down, then pull back up, and then drop back down.
yep.
Okay. Euro GBP. Hadn't done anything. No. That's not been as big a move as yeah, okay. You get that one. Euro JPY. And that one's pushed up too. They're all sort of like on there. This one too. Wow, it's way up in the clouds, isn't it?
Yep.
It's a 2 hour. Still pushing up. Okay, it's going to pull back and then push up. Oh yeah. Okay. Hmm. All right. Euro NZD. Yeah, pushing up, eh? Well, we don't have there's a problem there, isn't it? We don't have a higher low there, or all the way down here. It's okay though. Look at the crap here.
Mm-hmm.
Fake, push down, right? Push down, not and up. Right. Okay. What? Not going to be involved there. Euro Singapore.
That doesn't say higher high. That doesn't. Does that have any letters on it?
Lower high there, yeah.
Oh, there you go. Okay,
It's lower high
I
there.
couldn't see it. That's all.
Yeah, no, that's quite okay. Yeah, no, this is a bit too unpredictable, this one. At the moment, see here, we put in that green that's come through there, pull back, and then push back off again.
Did that hit
Oh,
its 50% mark?
of the green box,
Yeah.
it went through it and through it.
No, where it took off from.
No, it was below the box. See the box there?
Yeah.
It went down
It's just
below
hard
and
to tell
then,
where that green line ends.
hang on, sorry. There you go.
There you go.
No, it came down past it and then pushed back up.
Beautiful.
Right. Good. Euro USD. Where's it off to? Yeah. Pushing up. Yeah. There's some real regularity in some of this, isn't it? Oh, yeah. Okay. So GA was the other one that was just bumbling around. Yeah. Now come down there and then back up. All right then. Oh, you don't need that much. Yeah, well, lots of them have taken off, haven't they? Okay. GCAD. Mm. Wait for it to come back. Okay. Now, would you go from that lower high to high or no lower high? It just
When young, GCAD?
yeah, GCAD,
Yeah,
yeah.
I'm down here at the bottom.
Are you?
Oh yeah.
Like you've got your
My fib
few
is down there at that high.
yeah, the high, yeah.
Yeah.
And this lower high
And
here.
my low is at the higher. Mine says higher low, where that gold brick
Ah, it
is.
is. Yeah, yeah, yeah. High low. Yeah, yeah. Got it.
Yeah, because this is the move I'm concerned with. It doesn't matter what it's done in the past.
Yeah. Yeah, that's right. You want to know what it's going to do now.
Right.
All right.
I mean, it
So
kind of
we're
sucks. It kind of sucks that we've kind of got to move these fibs and everything else all the time.
it's not that bad.
But
I'm not
but
really
once you get fast at it,
yeah.
because the ones you're moving really is the 5 minute. The higher time frame don't move that much.
Yeah. Oh yeah, they move a bit, but not dramatic. No. Oh wow, it's way over there. Okay.
So this is saying it's buying.
At the moment it is, yeah. And then we'll sell out.
So which are you looking for, the sellout or the buy?
No, to sell. Absolutely.
Yep, me too.
Hmm. But this may break the top, which is okay. So just
Let
watch
it
it.
push.
Yeah, that's right. Wait till the finish and then pick it up on the other way. GBP CHF. Got a lower low here. Oh, we've got a knuckle in there. Bloody hell. Okay. GJ. Oh, actually, GBP CHF would be nice coming out of the bottom here. It's going to go back up, but it's saying it's going to break and continue down. So let it do its thing. Follow it until it's ready to pull back. Okay. GBUJPY looks like it's going to push up too. Anyway, okay. GN. Oh, well, there we go. This will come over here somewhere, and this will go over here somewhere. This. What is that? No, that's that. Okay. Sometimes I've got to play small, other times it's like, I don't understand. Anyway, King
Hmm?
Comedy. Oh, it's just some of the things that I do are crazy. Just some of the things I do. Where the hell is it? Let's see. W back down again, push back out. Beautiful W there, isn't it?
Hmm.
Okay. Let's go wait for that and get into the buy. It needs to do a pullback here, pullback, and then buy back up. Okay. G GBP Singapore. It's going to bumble along. Okay. Worry about him too much. You see, you could bring it down to here too, but I don't think it's no. It's beneficial. Right, GU. See where it's going to go. It looks like it's going to push up high, doesn't it?
Hmm.
Mm-hmm. Probably worth getting into some buys on this. Doing a pullback and then let's see it push back up. Okay. And can no. Oh, maybe with a pullback here and then pushing back up. It makes it back there anyway. Still just hovering around this 20 mark, isn't it? Mm.
Yeah, I'm looking for the buy up.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, exactly. All right then. NZDCHF. Oh, what's that? Oh, that's so good, is it? Because we would have had it's all disappeared. So do we go back up here, do you think?
Yes.
Low, lower high back down to this lower low.
Hmm.
Hmm. But pull back and then sell. I'm gonna get sell out of this. Correct? You are anyway.
Absolutely. No, you're doing
Yeah.
great.
Hmm. NJ. You just gotta be patient to get there though.
That's exactly what it is. I'm just trying to let you discover it on your own that no matter what you think you miss, it's just going to lead to a bigger move.
Oh, I'm
Because
not
we
worried
got
about
nothing
that.
but time on this 5 minute frame. I don't care how many times this thing goes up and down. I just want to be in the right direction. That's why
Yeah.
there's always a pullback.
Yeah, there's always. That's right. Oh, that one's interesting. Okay.
This just relieves so much anxiety. It's not even funny
Hmm.
from that higher time frame
Yeah, yeah.
because you just didn't get the amount of opportunities. So you'd have to like, oh, I got to take this trade.
Yeah,
Well, down
yeah,
here on the
exactly.
5 minute, it's like,
Yeah, you can
who gives
like,
a shit?
yeah, yeah,
You
exactly.
got you got nothing but time down here.
Yeah.
Take 100 of these. It don't matter.
Hmm. Yeah, that one I'm not too. It'll probably buy better. We'll just see what it does.
But you see how picky you can be now?
Oh, I was picky before. Don't worry. Uh, yeah, I was picky before. Uh, yeah, back and then let's. I could. Yeah, I could get in the buy on this too. But
Which
yeah.
one you
Anyway,
on?
sorry.
Oh, you're on NU. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. It looks like it will, but it just depends on what happens here. It comes out and then we get, oh, we'll look at that. Anyway, Singapore,
Oh,
Japanese.
oh, you don't.
Sorry. Whoop. Back to NU, yeah.
Yeah, your fib's wrong on your daily. I'm sorry, on your
On
higher
30,
time frame.
you want to bring it back down here.
Well, I did
Oh,
because
geez.
it's creating, so it's coming out of your 20 already. So if you're looking for a buy because you think it's going to buy up, I would be looking for a buy in that 20 zone.
Yeah, out of here. Yeah.
Or
Ooh.
or even it just has to fail at your 80 and continue pushing up. Whichever buy you want to get into, which one you think is going to give you the best trade, if you know what I mean.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. All right. Singapore, Japanese yen. Oh. Oh, yeah. Sellout coming. Oh, yeah. It's coming. Bunching around here, though. Yeah, no. Selling in this one, too. All right. You can. Oh. Oh, yes. Going to do a little pullback. All right, then. Right, now, hang on, let's get that out of the way for the minute. Where are we? So we'll go from the high and we'll move this to lower high, correct?
Mm-hmm.
No, it's coming on. Okay, and over here. Oh, okay. Who's that? Yeah, Darren, is it? Yeah, it is Darren. How are you, Darren?
Oh, Brian.
How are you?
I'm
Th-
okay.
Those GUs playing up again?
Still sat there. Let's have a look. Where are they? Where are the
I'm in, I'm in about half a dozen too. It was all right, then not, then back, then forward, then. And Euro Stable's in quite a few trades.
Well, the main sort of development on my EAs is FX Proctor's in a bit of drawdown. That push up on EU today.
Yeah, because it's just, US money's flowing again, apparently. And so things have all gone like, wow,
Uh,
let's go. Yeah.
Yeah. Euro stable. Where are we with that?
Euro stable with a few of those, a few trades happening there. Just in a bit drawdown. It's not enormous drawdown or anything. It's just doing its thing.
Yeah.
Wasn't that right?
Yeah, it's about like fraction of a percent in drawdown, I suppose. Not very much.
Yeah.
Um,
Oh, it's upside down.
anyway.
uh, oh, here we go. Should be better. And then we just make that. Mmm. Yes. So yeah, no, there's Eurostable and Infinity are both in a number of trades. Both in a number, but that's okay. I think while the market's rocking and rolling around, let's see what happens when it settles down the Asian, or it might push further. I mean, you'll get pullbacks anyway, but little bit of drawdown. Would you move it over here, Tom? Over this high or low now?
Yes, I already did.
USD CHF.
Oh, oh, I'm sorry, I'm on the wrong one. I was on UCAD. Uh, well, I'm
You got a high or
moving
low
it
there.
as it creates. So
Yeah,
yes,
yeah,
I'm following it.
yeah, okay. And then UJ. Hmm. Oh, that's weird. Okay, just thought pull back here. Should have got into that trade just there. All right, okay. It's probably ready to get into it now even. Okay, sell out UJ, USD and Singapore, which if I go back, yeah, anyway. NU, I'd agree with that then. What we got here? You're moving that up there. So it's going to continue down, so I'm not really fussed with that one at the moment either. And then gold. So the other one. Oh, look at that. Great high. Well, well, so it's going to break and go back up again. Oh, that's interesting. There are a few opportunities. See what happens here. I'm not going to necessarily trade the gold, but that's okay. Yeah. Okay. That's right. Where's Bitcoin? Oh, it dropped down 98. That's considerable. Down below the 100,000. And US oil. Oh, down to 58. 58, 59. Really having a hard time, isn't it? Russian oil, eh? Is it too much around? Anyway, did you see Euro stable? How's that going for you, Dan?
Eurostone, yeah, it's in a few trades, but
Yeah,
slight bit of drawdown, but it's fairly,
yeah. Exactly,
yeah.
exactly. Well, I might get some time this weekend. We'll see how I go to be able to get some of those other ones. I still didn't get any time yesterday to talk to the dark group, find out what the
Yeah.
hell's going on. So,
Yeah, I still need to download this free one, EA Studio, which I will do and put on
on a demo.
yeah, they've got it on Black Bull. I think it's Black Bull Market something, so I can open an account with them now.
Oh, you have?
Yeah. So
Okay.
get a demo account with them and the EA Studio, EA and set file. I'll run it on
Hmm.
that for a while, see how that goes. Then yeah, potentially put it on a live account with Black Bull.
Lovely. Lovely.
Um, yeah, so that's sort of where I'm at.
It's all a process, isn't it? It's
Yeah,
like just the process.
yeah.
Okay.
My objectives haven't changed, it's still the same. So, build up that stable of EAs and
Yeah, absolutely. And then
try
the
and add some
spread
more funded, use the profits from the funded accounts to open more funded accounts.
and then spread the
Build
risk.
those up. Yeah.
Yeah, no worries. Well, it seems to be my internet seems to be working a lot better since the new modem and a lot more reliable. So
What's the
let's go up
temperature like
and
there now? You're getting into summer soon, aren't you? Sort of spring, summer.
uh yeah. It's been a crazy spring, like it was 12 degrees, 14 degrees the other day.
Is that all
Back
it
up,
is? Yeah.
back up to 22. We
Yeah.
had it was quite the other morning we had a little frost on the grass actually.
All right.
Got down to zero and it burnt a few of the ends and tips on my grapevines. So I was a bit like
Oh,
anyway.
yeah.
But they'll come back. It's
Yeah.
just that yeah, they get a bit of a kickback on it. So just as well I hadn't got any sort of tomato plants out or anything because would have just burned them up. Little ones anyway.
Yeah. Yeah.
So the weather's getting it's actually quite up and down at the moment. As soon as we get sort of into that summer stuff, it might be a little bit more um, stable temps. We'll see, and higher temps. I think. What have I got? What have we got coming up? Is uh, where is it? Today's supposed to be 21. Then tomorrow 24, 19, 15, 20, 21, 15. All this sort of stuff.
Yeah. Well,
That's a
we're
bit.
just heading into our cold season now. It's been 30 miles so far, but forecast it's going to go a bit colder. So winters
Snow,
around the
snow for
corner.
snow for Christmas, or
It's very rare that we get snow for Christmas. If ever we get snow, it's usually sort of January, late January, something like that, mid late January, even
okay.
into February.
All
Very
right.
rare that we get cut snow at Christmas
Oh, I
nowadays.
see. Yeah, with the global warming stuff, it's
It's always it's always a thing with the betting firms, the bookmakers, odds of a white Christmas. It's something people bet on. If we're going to get white Christmas or not. But
yeah. Well, we'll just see how we go through this whole from because we're getting near the end of, well, it's the middle of November now, but into December, January, and then we'll with Ernest, I'd say probably near the end of January, I'll start organising live accounts for him to go on to once we've tested them over
yeah,
that time.
yeah,
And give me some more time to do some. So we'll see.
yeah,
Anyway, all right. Now, there may be a difficulty on Monday morning purely because, and Wednesday morning for me, which will be your Sunday and Tuesday, because I've got funeral and I've got to be over there. So I might have to leave really early from here to beat traffic to get there for the funeral because it's at 10 and it's going to take us probably a couple of hours to get there. And then Wednesday, I got to leave really early because we've got to get in for Claire's appointment in the city. So, and there are no trains running from here. So either we've got to drive down to uh, Craigieburn and take the metro in, or anyway, we'll work it. But at the moment, I, it I'll notify you anyway. But at the moment, probably.
sorry, that's it.
All right, Tom, just so you
And what
know,
day was that?
it'll be your Sunday.
My Sunday. Okay.
Potentially not, but I'll notify you because we need to get early, and then
Sure.
it'll be your Tuesday, which is the Wednesday. So my Wednesday, your Tuesday.
Okay.
That I also have to get in there early. All right, into
Yeah.
Melbourne. All right then. Have a
Yeah.
great weekend, all of you,
Yeah.
and I'll see you then. All right
All
then.
right. Take care.